Welcome to the museum. Today, we are stepping into a very special exhibit all about the amazing state of Indiana. Look at this map of the United States. If you look right here in the middle, in a region called the Midwest, you will see a state shaped a bit like a tall boot. This is Indiana, proudly known as the Hoosier State. And if you watch those pathways lighting up, you will see why Indiana's official motto is the Crossroads of America. Rivers, railroads, and highways cross right through the state, connecting people from all over the country. With so many ways to travel through, Indiana acts as a giant meeting place where different landscapes and people all fit together like a puzzle. Long before those modern highways were built, native peoples called this land home. Nations like the Miami and the Potawatomi built communities, farmed, and traveled the rivers here. And those native families are still an important part of Indiana today. Later on, early European settlers arrived. They began clearing sections of the dense forests to plant crops, build new farms, and start small towns. To connect those growing towns, people had to build new ways to travel. Look at this photograph of an early canal. That large horse walking along the path is actually pulling a heavy boat through the water, helping move goods and people from one place to another. From the native nations who first knew this land to the early builders mapping out canals and roads, all of these groups helped lay the foundation for the Indiana we see today. Let's walk over to the geography wing of our exhibit. If you visit northern Indiana, right along the edge of Lake Michigan, you will find tall, sandy dunes and watery wetlands. But if you travel down into the central part of the state, the land opens up into massive flat fields with rich soil, perfect for growing crops. Keep heading south and the land changes again. Southern Indiana is filled with rolling hills, deep river valleys, and thick green forests. Throughout the year, the state experiences 4 distinct seasons. A warm, green summer field can quickly turn into a snowy, icy landscape in the winter. With so many different kinds of land and changing weather, people living in Indiana experience nature in many different ways, depending entirely on where they live. Over here in the culture wing, we see that Indiana's neighborhoods are built by people from all over the world. Immigrants brought new foods, music, and traditions that make the state's communities rich and colorful. Look at this portrait of Madam C.J. Walker. She was a trailblazing businesswoman who built a successful hair care empire in Indiana, helping her community. Many of those businesses and communities meet in the middle of the state, in Indianapolis. It is Indiana's largest city and the bustling state capital. In this picture, you can see the Grand Indiana State House. Notice the tall, rounded dome on top. This is the exact building where leaders meet to make the state's laws. From successful business leaders to the lawmakers in the Capitol, people all across the state use their talents to help their neighbors and keep Indiana growing. Let's check out the state symbols. If you look in the trees here, you might spot a bright red bird called a cardinal, the state bird. And in the gardens, you will find large, fluffy flowers called peonies, the state flower. Look at this historic photograph of a tractor pulling a harvester. Indiana farmers grow millions of bushels of corn and soybeans, feeding people everywhere. In large factories, workers use heavy tools to shape metal into parts for cars, airplanes, and big machines. Check out this image of workers carefully moving massive, heavy blocks of solid rock. This is Salem limestone, a special stone quarried right out of the earth in southern Indiana and used to build famous monuments all over the country. By shipping out food, building strong machines, and providing stone for famous buildings, Indiana helps provide the materials the rest of the country needs every day. Now it's time for the Fun Facts Room. Because Indiana is so good at farming corn, it is actually one of the top places in the world for growing the exact kind of corn that pops into delicious popcorn. And if you watch this video moving into this dark, rocky entrance, you are seeing a limestone cave. Hidden completely underground in southern Indiana are vast, winding cave systems stretching for miles in the dark. Whether you are snacking on fluffy treats from the fields above or exploring echoing caverns deep below ground, Indiana is a place full of hidden surprises. Want to bring a little bit of Indiana into your own home? You could try baking a sweet traditional sugar cream pie, or go outside and trace the shapes of fallen autumn leaves. In this historic photo, you can see vintage race cars zooming past enormous crowds of cheering fans. This is the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, home to one of the biggest, fastest auto races in the entire world. Look at this high-angle shot of players jumping for a rebound. Basketball is deeply loved here, with kids playing in almost every school, driveway, and town across the state. Stand up right where you are. Pretend you are gripping the steering wheel of a fast race car, or line up your perfect shot and pretend to swish a basketball through a hoop. Whether you are exploring the beauty of nature, learning about history, or playing a high-speed game, Indiana truly is the Crossroads of America, the perfect place where all these amazing things connect.